Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss sum of digits of a given number using recursion in C Sharp. For example, if you provide input as 1.3, we need to sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. If you want to sum individual digits, then first we need to get digits like 1, 2, 3. Here we are using modulus and division operators to calculate sum of digits. For example, if we provide input as 123, we need to divide with 10. Here, in quotient we'll get 12 and remainder 3. In second step, take this quotient and divide by 10. Here, 12 divided by 10, quotient is 1 and remainder is 2. In third step, take this quotient and divide by 10. Here, 1 divided by 10, quotient is 0, remainder is 1. Here we are getting individual digits from 123. Here 3, 2, 1. Later we need to sum these numbers. We'll discuss this logic over Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create console application. First step is read input from command prompt. Console.write of please provide input number console.readline and assign to integer variable int input number. Here readline method returning string, but we are trying to store it in integer, so we are getting error like cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. We need to convert string to integer using parse method. Int.parse of console.readline. Invoke sum of digits method. Sum of digits of input number. Still we didn't declare sum of digits method, so we are getting error like the name sum of digits does not exist in the current context. Now we need to declare sum of digits method. Public static int sum of digits of int input number. If input number equal to 0, return 0, else return input number modulus 10 plus sum of digits of input number divided by 10. Here sum of digits function returning integer, so we need to store that output in the variable. Here declare integer variable int result, print the result console.writeline sum of 0 is 1 comma input number comma result. Execute this code, Control F5. Please provide input number 123, enter. Here we are getting output as sum of 123 is 6. We'll debug this program, put breakpoint here, go to debug, click on start debugging or F5, later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging, F11, read input 123, enter. Here input is 123, we are passing 123 to sum of digits method. F11, here input number 123, input number equal to 0, false, it goes to else part. Here input number modulus 10 plus sum of digits of input number by 10. Here we are calling sum of digits function recursively. That means the function calls itself is called recursive function. Here 123 modulus 10. 123 modulus 10 will get remainder as 3 and, and quotient is 12. Check this one, right click, quick watch. Here 123 modulus 10 we are getting 3. F11. Now quotient is 12. We are calling sum of digits with input number 12. So here 12 equal to 0, false, it goes to else part. Here 12 modulus 10 plus sum of digits of 12 by 10. 12 modulus 10 will get remainder as 2 and 12 divided by 10 quotient as 1. F11. Input number 1. 1 equal to 0, false, it goes to else part. Here 1 modulus 10 plus 1 divided by 10. 1 modulus 10 will get remainder as 1. 1 divided by 10 will get quotient as 0. Now input number is equal to 0. 0 equal to 0, true. Then return 0. It sum all the values like 3 plus 2 plus 1. And print the result. Here we have output like sum of 123 is 6. Here sum of digits function calling itself. So this function is called recursive function. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.